We're Kiki and Ray, and we bought a 12-meter city bus that we're turning into a tiny home on wheels. Last time we stripped the inside down to the bare metal. This time the doors are on the chopping block. It's time to remove the front door. The reason why we're gonna remove it is because we cannot lock the door.
And also the doors are operated with compressed air and we don't want the maintenance and all the air compression stuff.
The rear doors are literally where our bathroom will be, so yeah.
But we're gonna remove all of this, these beams, all of the electronics above here, and then reuse the panel. I'll probably make just a regular...
No, just a regular door, you know, with an actual key.
And the lock over here.
Yeah, and we'll also get a doorbell.
That's gonna be the challenge.
We're gonna start removing this panel. These screws, they're all rusted as fuck. But this is still in the way. We have to unscrew this first.
Okay.
This was the number 13? Okay, let me get it.
Wait.
We still need this door, so we have to be careful.
Yes.
Because this is gonna be our front door.
This is the front door.
This is the front door, and it's gonna be our front door. Oh, there's some electricity?
Thing.
Yeah. Wait. Oh wait, there's all the electronics here that's still stuck. Doing this with one hand and filming is
Very hard, but you are super talented.
that's one. And then there's this bundle of joy. Next up is removing this iron bar so that we can get this out. It's moving.
It's moving. Can you have the 13?
Here it is.
Woo!
There you go.
Thank you. That was simple.
Oh, there is a cable.
Cable, but why? Mew. What's this? Maybe a sensor. Maybe a sensor.
I think it's a sensor, but well, it's gone now. Next step?
Next step is removing the actual panel from the door because it adds a lot of weight and we can basically safely remove this if the door is still hanging on it. I think they're like 25 kilograms, maybe 30. So we'll remove it here and here and then we can continue with removing the rest of the stuff on the inside. Okay, small opening. Then I go look for Tom.
What did you find?
Is this, are these tweezers? And then, like a surgeon. That's how you do it. This is exactly how you do it.
What are we removing right now?
The rubber, so that we can, when we start turning this one, we have to like stop it from rotating beneath here. But the rubber is in the way.
Yeah, I get it. Fucking rubber. It's always rubber's fault. There's that.
Buongiorno!
Hello.
Buongiorno, latte italiano.
Here we go.
One eternity later.
Oh! There it is. Papa! The door.
It's heavy.
Nice.
This one, I think, 60 kilos. Next up is the pole. As simple as removing these two bolts. And then we could basically lift it out of its socket.
Okay. Okay. And then?
I think we could just lift it out.
Papa!
And now it's hanging here.
Now we have this.
Now we have this, so we can... This is super safe while driving.
Yep. Bernard, what's happening?
We are removing this beam that will make it easier to reach the other... Find the faces. Okie dokie.
I'm removing all these electrical stuff. these are stuck. These have been in place for 20 years.
We're gonna remove these two on both sides, and then this entire block will come off. This one is gonna be pretty hard to reach, so I'm just gonna see if I can wiggle this in somehow. Another baby. Look at this weird. What is this? Why is it like made out of balls?
There it is. The mechanic of the door. Time to remove the rear doors. You get the gist of it. And they're gone. As you can see now, we have one open door and another open door. Now we have to find a solution for that because we're not going to get new doors today.
We get a lot of rain in the Netherlands, so we need a way to close off this temporarily while we work on the bus. At the same time maintaining the entrance, because while we are building the interior, it's going to be pretty convenient to have this opening. And in the end, we will close this off entirely. So I came up with an ingenious way to cover the hole by buying a way too big tarp and basically just putting it over the entirety of the bus. And Kiki is very convinced that this will work.
Yes. Beautiful.
This is way too big.
No, it's perfect.
Okay.
Is it too small?
Nee. It's good.
Okay.
I will attach one here. And then here, and we're good to go.
See, it's perfect.
Yes.
Not too long.
You want to make like a luifel?
Yes, I don't know what luifel is in English.
Luifel.
The results of today.
A job well done. I'm pretty happy. Both the doors are out. We kind of fixed it up so it's closed for when it rains. If it rains, I mean, it's pretty nice now, but you never know.
It's gonna rain in Sunday.
It's gonna. Oh, okay. And this is how you do it. This is our tutorial for how to temporarily close a bus.
How to remove the doors and not make a new door. We're 3 doors down, 1 tarp up. Next up is insulation, which, with 3 holes in the bus, should be wildly effective.